What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
A camera.
I have a camera, and you have a camera? Mama's phone? What are you doing, Mommy's phone? Uh-oh. What was that?
Before you know it, you grow up.
What are you doing?
Girlfriends take over and Christmas becomes more of an obligation.
Don't be messing with stuff you don't know.
What you want?
Yeah.
And all the trees and the presents.
Can you say hi to your daddy?
Say hi to Daddy.
No, say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
How are you?
How are you?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
Say, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Oh, one more time. I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Oh. Go, give Daddy a kiss. Very good. Give Daddy one more kiss. Oh, nice one.
Mom.
So, you ready for Santa?
Go ready, kiss.
Santa's gonna be so cool this year. Huh? And back to the computer.